Let's start. Today we will see how to implement a spinner in the Kotlin Android. Let's see the project structure. In the app level build.gradle file, write this plugin. Here we have the main activity. And in the UI, we have the activity_main.xml file, which is the layout of the main activity. Let's see the UI. Here we have a spinner. Let's see the code. The constraint layout is the root layout. And this is the spinner. Let's see the Kotlin code now. These are the imports. This is the main activity that implements the onTouchListener and onItemSelectedListener interfaces. This is an array of strings that we will use as the data set of the spinner. The isSpinner_touched variable will be used to solve a default spinner bug in the Android system. The first element of the spinner gets automatically called when the app is loaded, without any user interaction. This is a bug in the Android spinner. So we will use this variable to know if the user has actually touched the spinner or not. In the onCreate function, first, we have set the adapter for the spinner. Here we pass the string array to the adapter. Then we set this adapter to our spinner. Then we set the onTouchListener and the onItemSelectedListener of the spinner. When the spinner is actually touched by the user, this onTouch function gets called. So we will set the isSpinner_touched variable to true in this function. And when the user selects an item from the spinner, this onItemSelected function gets called. Here first we check if the selection is by the actual user or if it is due to the spinner bug which we discussed earlier. Then we show that item's name on a toast. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can implement a spinner in Kotlin Android. Thank you.